Eurofins Advinus, the Indian arm of the Eurofins Scientific Group, provides end-to-end services, comprising discovery chemistry, biology, CDMO, preclinical, and bioanalytical studies. It has next-generation contract manufacturing facilities to support clients across the globe for new chemical entities, active pharmaceutical ingredients, intermediates, and drug product development. Our state-of-the-art laboratories and scientists are experienced in developing robust, safe, and economical processes to support multiple stages of product development. Our late-stage development team has the knowledge and experience in developing processes using DOE and QBD principles, where the interdependency of variables can be understood for a specific process. This helps to develop design space that can deliver drug substance from bench scale to commercial scale manufacturing. Critical process safety evaluation is performed to mitigate risks. Our process safety lab is well equipped to assess safety of all chemical reactions. The safety lab is also fortified with a micro-RC, where very small quantity of the material is used to measure the heat of a reaction. We understand the importance of quality, safety, and speed, and are committed to deliver accordingly. Our experienced team of scientists, process engineers, and analytical chemists work seamlessly to guarantee quick material generation for IND-enabling preclinical studies. In order to support material generation for clinical studies, our pilot plant has ISO Class 8 clean rooms. We assist in accelerating scale-up under CGMP compliance following ICH guidelines. Our specialized facilities include powder processing area with multi-miller, micronizer, vibrosifter, hydrogenation facility, lyophilizer, etc. Our contract development and manufacturing facility is well equipped to provide large quantities of CGMP material, which is required in advanced stages of development. The facility has a dedicated warehouse for raw materials, finished goods, and packing material. Our walk-in coolers and deep freezers can store materials at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and -20 degrees Celsius. The manufacturing area has different sizes of reactors, from 160 liters to 4,000 liters, hydrogenators from 250 liters to 2,000 liters, and stainless steel columns for chromatography on multi-kg level. The facility also has purified water systems to generate 1,000 liters, USP-grade water per hour. For the final steps of isolation and purification, we have 2 clean rooms, with dedicated downstream equipment. There are independent labs for development and quality control. The QC lab is 21 CFR Part 11 compliant lab with all capabilities to perform method development, validation, and batch release. Our well-trained and qualified analysts can perform stability studies as per ICH requirement. We are moving towards digitization and already digitized inventory management, QMS and DMS. Our facility offers comprehensive formulation development services, covering oral and injectable dosage forms, such as complex and liposomal injection and ophthalmic formulations. Also, we support enhancing the solubility of the poorly soluble compound, using diverse techniques like timing nanoformulation, ASD formulation using spray drying, HME, or solvent evaporation. We cater to oncology and non-oncology compounds across preclinical, clinical, and generic developmental stages, including 505(b)(2) and first-to-file pathways. Our capabilities extend to regulated and non-regulated markets. Furthermore, we provide essential analytical support, encompassing method development and validation in line with ICH guidelines. Our facility also facilitates ICH-compliant stability assessments for both small and large molecules. Accelerate your drug discovery projects, as we support you with quick synthesis of material to meet your preclinical requirements, all the way up to clinical study supplies. Partner with us and avail our end-to-end services for drug substance and drug product development.